Hello and welcome to this short video demonstration on the RescueSam semi-automatic defibrillator. The RescueSam defibrillator is really simple to use and comes with a protective bag, long life battery and a set of ready-to-use adult pads as standard. When the RescueSam arrives, setting up the machine is easy. Simply insert the battery into the base of the defibrillator. The status indicator will light up green and a voice prompt will ask you to press the red shock button to complete a self-test.
Self-test. Press the red shock button.
After the test is complete, slot the defibrillator into the protective bag. Connect the adult pads and slot this into the accessory pouch. The defibrillator is now set up and ready for use. The defibrillator can be mounted on the wall, kept in a purpose-built cabinet, or stored in a convenient location in its bag. A green status light flashing on the front of the machine indicates that the RescueSam is in standby mode and ready to be used. The RescueSam is designed to be used by anybody, even those with no experience in resuscitation. The main interface has graphics to show how the pads are applied to a person and how to perform CPR with loud and clear voice prompts. Pressing the green power button will start up the defibrillator. Listen to the voice prompts and follow the instructions.
System ready. Call for help. Attach pads.
When instructed, press the red shock button and listen out for further instructions. The RescueSam, including the battery, comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. The battery will last around 5 years when idle and is able to power up to 200 shocks. Accessories such as the wall bracket, indoor and outdoor defibrillator cabinet, and pediatric pads for use on children under the weight of 25 kilos are available separately. If you have any further questions about the RescueSam or wish to place your order today, simply call us on the number below or visit us at our website.